This puller is an ideal tool for taking out olives. Without damaging the pipe, puller utilizes the compression fitting locking nut to remove the olives which used or damaged from the copper piping. The olive puller can work on air conditioning pipes and is suitable for brass pipes with diameters of 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. Ridgid 241 Press Tool. 25% smaller and 10% lighter than the previous Ridgid compact inline tools. Ridgid has the only compact press tool that can go up to 1¼ inch, 32 mm, on copper and stainless steel, up to 1½ 40 mm, on PEX tubing, and up to 3/4 inch, 20 mm, iron pipe. Bluetooth connectivity, manage important information like cycle count and battery life through your phone. New 12V lithium-ion battery, over 140 crimps per charge. High-quality tool steel, sharp gear, high hardness, smooth and beautiful surface, anti-rust and anti-wear. Plumbing tool, cuts 1.5 inches and larger PVC and ABS pipe from inside, necessary for handyman. Easy installation, steel shaft attaches to power drill, move around to cut. The PEX pipe cutter, cutting range, up to 1¼ inch or up to 31 mm, is designed up to cut pipes of various plastic materials. The tube cutter, cutting range, 1/8 inch to 7/8 inch or 3 to 22 mm, can be used to cut pipes made of aluminum and copper. The PVC pipe cutting tool set includes 3 compositions: PVC pipe cutter, mini tube cutter and PTFE seal tape, which can meet your various need when doing the pipe or tube cutting work. IWIS 1/2 3/4 1 inch Pro PX Expander Toolkit meets ASTM F1960 for PXA pipe suits upon or ProPEX Wurzbo. Chrome-plated for weather and corrosion resistance. Comes in a convenient carrying case to hold expander tool and heads. Precision-engineered expansion head for accurate expansion of upon or PXA tubing for Pro PEX fitting. Item includes 3 expansion heads, 1/2, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 quality lubricant, eco-friendly. Made of ball-bearing steel, durable, not easy to break, wear-resistant. A product of the swaging process, with this tool making their way into HVAC systems line set. Easy to use, air conditioning installation, open copper tube, so that two copper tube mutual link, to be installed on hand electric drill. Fit for any rig, work more efficiently than a round head reaming tool. Knipex Tools offers the only pipe and connector pliers in the market that offer 25 easy adjustment positions at the push of a button. Once this tool is set, it stays in that position without movement until you change it. It has replaceable plastic jaws for soft surfaces with diameters up to 3 inch. Knipex pipe and connector pliers are available with serrated gripping jaws or soft jaws for sensitive surfaces. A compact machine for institutional, commercial, or residential cleaning. Also ideal for septic tank vacuum truck operators. Small enough to fit into cramped spaces, yet powerful enough to clear tough blockages. Ideal for rooftop vent stacks. Rear handle allows for easy transporting up ladders and onto rooftops. Remove only 2 bolts to access jaw set for cleaning or replacement. Removal of same bolts provides access to belt drive. If you've ever needed to remove an angle stop compression sleeve on the water supply line or a stuck faucet handle, Superior Tool Plumbers PAL Faucet Handle Puller Kit is up for the job. The patented ferrule barrel design allows for easy removal of tough compression sleeves that have been corroded and stuck on pipe for many years. Its heavy-duty design helps remove stubborn faucet handles. This 2-in-1 tool pulls most stubborn faucet handles and compression sleeves, eliminating user frustration. Also, tool will assist with the removal of compression rings, ferrules, compression sleeves, olives, copper rings and fittings. High-carbon steel manufacturing, integral heat treatment, strong and durable, convenient and efficient, long service life, black oxide finished for durability. Easy to use, quick removal damaged screws, bolts, studs, tack, damaged pipes, triangle valve, water pipe, faucet, etc.